those moments where it seems like deja vu that's happening in your life is there because all this has been predestined. Now, you can tune out if you don't believe in it. No harm, no foul. But if this resonates with your spirit, if this is something that your soul feels like, that sounds about right, stay a while. This is going to bless you. So you're going through or may have experienced some situations where it feels like, wow, I felt the similar type of feeling before. I've been in a similar type of situation, or I've been in this similar place before. Whether it was a reaction to something, whether it was a circumstance, whether somebody was trying to do something malicious to you, there's so many different scenarios, but you get where I'm going with this, right? So when you're feeling these instances of deja vu, this is insight into your spiritual journey for you to lean more so into your faith, because what is happening is that all this is predetermined and you are aligning with your destiny. You're really in alignment when these things are happening, because it's showing that you've been through something similar, and more often than not, when you've gone through something similar like that before, you were able to overcome it. You were able to get through it. And these deja vu experiences are reminders that, okay, this is the test that you already passed before. Now you're able to pass these things again. So you may have went berserk in the past. You may have lashed out. Okay, you may have been flailing about and not knowing how you were going to get through that thing, but you got through it somehow. And so these situations that show up in your life again is because you're leveling up. You're experiencing a breakthrough, and these things are circling in the background because spirit operates, soul operates through circular. Okay, so when these things circle back around, now you have the hindsight being 2020. You're able to see things from a different vantage point. You're able to see that, wait a minute, I've been through something similar in the past and I was able to get through it. Now I know that I don't have to react in a way that may have been immature in the past. I don't have to react in a way where I feel like I have to defend myself, because you know that there's another way that you can get through these things, and you're going to be getting through it. And the way in which you're going to get through these things is by going within, being calm, not allowing the circumstances to overcome you, and focus on the good. You're going to see your way through this, and the blessings that's going to be on the other side, you're not going to jeopardize them by feeling as if you have to fight this within the physical. You're overcoming it within the spiritual. And this is the place in your life where you allow yourself either to ascend or to de-evolve and go backwards. You're moving forward. You're having progression. So whereas in the past you may have, if somebody did something hurtful to you, and you may have spazzed out on them, okay, breathe through it. Don't allow them to take you backwards. If you've been in a situation where, somebody has intentionally done you wrong and you know about it, don't react in a way that's typical. Okay, you want to ascend. There's so many different scenarios I can go through, but I know you're getting the point, right? Yeah, you're getting it. Pass the test, because what is happening is that when you don't pass the test, another lesson comes about, so that you have to face that in order to pass it again. So pass the test so that you can move upward and allow yourself to be free from those things that have hindered you in the past. It's time for you to align with your spiritual maturity, emotional intelligence. You can do it.